If you're wondering how the microphone works on the PlayStation Portal, I'm going to show you. It works very similar to the DualSense controller, but one feature is missing. So on the DualSense controller, you can see the microphone is now working. When I'm speaking, it's coming up here. When I hit the mute mic button here, it will stop coming up on screen because the mic has been muted. But it's also got the option to mute the TV. If I hold this down, you will see it says all audio and your microphone are muted, and this will start just pulsing slowly. And right now there's no sound coming out of the TV either. Well, that's different on here. You can't do that feature. So let's just take it off mute and let's connect here. Right, now we're on the PlayStation Portal and you can see the mute mic button is lit up, so right now it can't hear me. If I take it off mute, you can see the orange light goes from here and here, and now you can see that it's working here. When I speak into here, you can see that it's recognising that there's voice here. But if I hold this down, it won't mute the TV, so it doesn't work the same as a DualSense controller. Saying that, it's not really needed because you've got your volumes here anyway, and you can just lower this down here. So it's just as easy to do that as hold that button down there. So yeah, very similar to the DualSense, but slightly different. Thanks for watching.